Welcome to the first module, SolidWorks Interface and Navigation System. In this section, we will cover some basic aspects of SolidWorks that we will need to get started. Those are things like the major parts in SolidWorks interface, the command bar, canvas, and design tree. We will also answering questions like how to start a new SolidWorks part, what is document measurement system, and how to adjust it. We will share some tips of how to utilize the mouse with SolidWorks. So let's get started. When you first open SolidWorks, you will see something like this. Okay, now we will start with the new document. So we go to the top and click on the new document icon. When we do that, we will be faced with three options: to start a new part, a new assembly, or a new drawing. As starters, we will select new part and then click OK. When we do that, we see a lot of tabs and options in front of us. Let's learn these one by one. To make things clearer, we have created a simple model which you can download from the description. So on the top, you can see the command bar. This has all the commands you will use to create your models. In the middle, you can see the canvas. The canvas shows you a visual representation of the model you have created. On top of the canvas, you will be able to see some commands related to view of the model. For instance, if you click on the display style icon here, you will get different options of how you can view your model. On the bottom left of your canvas, you will see three axes X, Y, and Z, which represents your three dimensions. On the left, we see the design tree. The design tree shows all the features and sketches we use to create the model. So in this case, we can see that we use two sketches and three features to create our model. Now we will talk about measurement systems. All the models will be created in SolidWorks are based on actual measurement units like millimeters, centimeters, meters, inches, kilograms, pounds, seconds, etc. Before you start any model, make sure that you set that measurement unit you intend to work on. On the bottom right, you will see a clickable menu. In my case, it says IPS, which stands for inches, pounds, and seconds. If you click on it, you will be getting multiple options of measurement units to choose from. And if you need another combination, you can click this Edit Document Units. When you do that, you will have an additional option, which is to make your custom unit. When using SolidWorks, I recommend using at least a mouse with a scroll. This will make using the software much easier. Right-clicking on the canvas, on the surface, or on a feature of the design tree will always give you more helpful options. Now let's talk about the scroll in the mouse. If we point the cursor on the canvas and start moving the scroll, we will be zooming in or zooming out using the cursor as the center of movement. And so, if I point the cursor on this corner and start scrolling, I will be zooming towards this corner, and same for the others. The scroll itself has a useful button. If I leave the cursor on the canvas and then click and hold the scroll button and start moving the mouse, you can see that the model will rotate according to the mouse movement. This will make it much easier for you to create the model. In this video, we covered the basic interface of SolidWorks. Download this model from the description and try out what we cover in this video.